Security. We have to think about security more and more today. It seems the world is becoming a more dangerous place. Most of the people I know are worried about home security. They have alarms on their house, and some of my friends have a webcam filming their house. Of course, personal security is also very important. In many countries, people have a gun to protect themselves. In other countries, women carry pepper spray. In recent years, internet security is a big issue. We are constantly warned about it. There are whole industries based on internet security and lots of software to make your computer more secure. The most important thing about security online is never put too much personal information on the web. Security. We have to think about security more and more today. It seems the world is becoming a more dangerous place. Most of the people I know are worried about home security. They have alarms on their house, and some of my friends have a webcam filming their house. Of course, personal security is also very important. In many countries, people have a gun to protect themselves. In other countries, women carry pepper spray. In recent years, internet security is a big issue. We are constantly warned about it. There are whole industries based on internet security and lots of software to make your computer more secure. The most important thing about security online is never put too much personal information on the web.